Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's a perfect day. That's why I decided to shoot this weekend strategy for you. And as you know, on weekends only OTC currencies are available. And this is one of these days when only OTC currencies is in the list of my currency pairs, and I have already selected the best of them with the most interesting situations, which I will be explaining for you in this video, guys. So I have already set up indicators that is implied by this strategy that I want to show you, and this strategy is designed for OTC market, but it's possible to trade with this strategy even on regular days. And this strategy includes envelope channel indicator. I just adjust envelopes for the market conditions. I put period for 20. But exponential moving average and make deviation a little bit bigger. So you have to adjust situation to the certain market conditions and also combine this tool with the marker with the period of 14. And this tool is showing me overbought and oversold areas, and I'm ready to start this trading session, guys. So let's discuss situation. Let's briefly evaluate this, because before each entry point we have to relate to the full picture. And we can notice that right now the price is sitting between these two areas, and right now it's growing. So it's already outside the envelope channel indicator. That's why I want to make my first trade. I think with the half of my wallet, and I'm adhering to the rules of money management of course. I want to do this with $25. I just have 50 bucks in my account, and how much I will be able to earn with this sum, and let's see at the end of this video. So but now be ready for put option. So wow guys, that's amazing! I'm on a profit, and this was very predictable, because can you see this long wick about this candle? And the price would go inside of envelope channel indicator very soon. It is doing with this step by step. So yes, my decision was right, and I only want to make one more trade. Same on this chart, as price is slowly fluctuating at this level, and I would like to increase my investment up to, I think, $40. Yes, as you see, I'm still not rising with the whole wallet. I always adhere to the rules of money management and be ready for put option right now. That's amazing, friends. One more successful entry point. As you see, from this point the price is still falling in down direction. This was very rational according to the rules of technical analysis. From this area outside the envelope channel indicator, the price will constantly fall inside our envelope channel corridor. So that's just the rules how technical analysis works. So even in OTC market, the rules of technical analysis are working, and let's work out more situation. By the way, already hundreds of dollars. So I just doubled my initial deposit without any risks and in 2 trades, and I think that everyone can do this. So let's check the first currency pair, euro and Swiss franc. Again, here we have 87% of payout, with this amazing, and here are the downtrend tendencies. So downward, I'm sorry. The price is moving in down direction all the time, and now I can see that here a bunch of candles set the lower line of envelope channel indicator, which means that the average range was already passed by this movement of the price. And here we have to expect some upward tendencies very soon, and also the market told us about this. So I would invest here $80, and as you can notice, I'm doing all trades here for 1 minute, and that's the most profitable way for me to make money. Just for 1 minute I would earn around $150. So friends, let's open a trade here. Be ready for call option right now. So well, that's brilliant. As you see, as I predicted, my assumption was right. Just look, the market was looking in up direction. It crossed the red line with a mean of 30. And I also accepted these upward movements because the price was at the low line of envelopes. And as we see here, the reach price history, the price is going in up direction and then in down direction, up and down, up and down. And here we already see that according to average true range theory, the price already passed this range and was at this lower line of envelopes. So it was time for the price to go up, And that's exactly what happened. So everything is so easy if you are analyzing your charts thoroughly. Well guys, let's go further. Second currency pair, Australian dollar, Swiss franc. Let's see what we can earn today. Even on my weekend I'm working because the market feels so good. Most of the time the market is in a flat, but today I found out the market was moving and I can't miss this opportunity. So I want to trade, I want to analyze the charts, and of course I want to make profit and to make those strategies for you with $50. And I started with $50, and right now I can invest $170. So that's much better from this point and ready for put option right now. So well, that's perfect. As you see again, one more great entry point. And look, already on my balance is more than $300. And I started intentionally from $50. And of course, I could drop it a little bit more, my Cortex account, and start trading with bigger money because, you know, when you invest more, when your initial deposit is bigger, you can have an opportunity to invest more. But I intentionally deposit just $50 on a balance, just to show you that it's so easy for everyone to start with a small deposit and you can drop even $10 because for Cortex it's just $10. So the minimum deposit that is required, and yes, you can start small. So guys, let's work out one more situation, Great Britain pound and Japanese yen, and I want to continue earn money and invest a little bit more in this trade. So as I have more money on my wallet, just overclock this $50, you see everyone can do this. And again, you look at this chart, this upward tendency. The general trend is looking in up direction. Here I'm dealing on 1 minute time frame. There is no need for me to compare these charts on different time frame because the strategy is not based on this. I can use this trick for my different strategies where I just switch between different time frames and analyze the key levels, but here I will just deal with the general trend on 1 minute time frame. So be careful, that's the key aspect of this exact strategy. Now the market is at the oversold area and it's looking in up direction, but also candles are above our analytical corridor, which means that, guys, tell me please. Of course, that means that the price would go in up direction very soon. So we'll use this opportunity to put here $300. But let me think one more time, will the price go in down direction from this point? I need the confirmations and what is happening. So it's still growing. Friends, here, be ready for collapse right now. Yeah, risky trade, but anyway, I'm on a profit. And yes, as I said, it wasn't the time for the price to fall because till the price had some potential to grow, that's why call option was a nice idea exactly for that moment. But now as you see, the direction of the price is changing, the market is always changing, and now it's a point maybe to join this trend in down direction. So let's zoom in this picture a little bit. It's a perfect situation for me because I firstly tested the level with call option. I saw the price still has some potential to grow, but now see this red candle. And friends, it's a unique opportunity for me to open here a trade with $500. Yes, the bigger invest, the bigger profit I will have later, and from this point be ready for call option right now. Incredible result. You see, the price still had some potential to grow, but very soon I think the price could fall down. But let me relate the full picture. What's happening? I think yes, at this level the price has stopped and maybe the price would fall up to this middle line here and it will rise again. Still we see this red candle. That's exactly what's happening. I need to give some time to this chart, and meanwhile let's check the first currency pair, euro and Swiss franc. By the way, I have thousands of dollars on my account, and I think it will be much more tempting for you to invest thousands of dollars. But be smart to know that one more move can eliminate all your efforts. And yes, that's why be rational, guys. Don't trade with your whole wallet and adhere to the rules of money management. It is necessary for everyone. So $800 in this investment box. Here I like this downtrend when the price is going up in down direction. So similar situation to this chart, but here this is an uptrend and this is a downtrend. So we should deal with this downtrend. The price is falling, and from this point be ready for collapse right now. So well, that's perfect. Amazing situation again, I'm in the profit. It was a really good entry point when the price was low enough, and you see this long wicks. Definitely the fight between buyers and sellers is happening right now. And I already have $1,700. Step by step I'm reflecting this deposit, and already I have more than $1,000 on my account just in 15 minutes, guys. So I think that everyone can spend 30 minutes on their weekends, or even an hour or 2 hours to understand more about binary options, how they work to get profit, of course. So let's get back to the third currency, Great Britain pound and Japanese yen. So I'm really interested in what's happening with my chart, and this already happened. I missed this while it was trading with the euro and Switzerland franc, but as I said, the price has fallen from this point up to the middle line of my channel indicator, and now it's going in up direction again. But I still consider that it's a good entry point because the price is low enough, and as I think I want to invest here $1,000. So now I see these upward tendencies, and from this point be ready for put option right now. Yes, you see the price fell from our entry point a little bit, and that's why I see this little flat line is forming here. So that's definitely not so great to trade in a flat line, and that's why I prefer going to another currency pairs. But before you do this, friends, I want to tell you that you see here we are discussing how to trade on uptrend, how to trade on downtrend, but how to trade if situation is not so clear. So here especially selected some pronounced trends. If you see this, for example, an uptrend, then the direction of the price is generally clear. But what if we see a little bit messy chart where there are not so clear signals? So I will tell you, just follow my Telegram community where I post lots of useful tips and signals for all profitable trades. As link will be in the description under this video. And now let's check the second one. It's been long since we check Australian dollar Switzerland franc, and you see here the candles are pretty tall. The wicks are long also, but anyway there are some price movements, and the price movements we can make our profit. So for example, when you see such situation, it can be hard for you to understand which direction is better to trade. But in my Telegram channel there are also always free signals, and they have up to 90% of accuracy. So while candles is above our channel indicator, it's my chance. I will put here $2,000 in this trade just to prove that my entry points are always working, and I'm pretty really sure that my signals are accurate. So guys, be ready for call option right now. So excellent result again, guys. I'm in a profit, and look how much I earned, $4,300 on my account already. So friends, I spent just 30 minutes on this short trading session on my weekends and made this $4,000. I think that everyone can do this if you have desire to earn money. So follow my Telegram channel because there you can find lots of useful tips and signals absolutely for free for your own profitable trades. And guys, I know how to change your life, how to make your life for better if you want to earn money with me. So I wish you only good luck, see you next video, and bye bye.